The curse of the planet Saturn in astrology. Yes guys, in this video I am about to reveal to you how the planet Saturn has an exceptional quality of giving you curse and punishment, not only for the deeds of your previous life but also the present deeds and the present actions that you're doing. So the law of deliverance and the nature of justice of Saturn is different when compared to the other planets. So in this video I am about to reveal to you the secret of how Saturn actually gives you the curse or the punishment of the action and the deeds that you're doing in the present life itself, and that too in a very short notice of time. So if you want to know about this secret, about the truth of the curse of planet Saturn in astrology, then first you have to subscribe to Purup's Astrology, guys, because only if you subscribe to Purup's Astrology then you will get access to such amazing content. And secondly, after watching this video till the end, if you like this video then hit the like button. If you have disliked this video then be honest and hit the dislike button, but show me your genuine reactions. So hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing great and I welcome you back to Purup's Astrology. Let's get into the curse of planet Saturn in astrology and how the curse or the punishment given by planet Saturn manifests immediately within a short duration and period of time. So I have actually divided the different types of actions and the wrongdoings that we might do with respect to the different houses in the horoscope, and how Saturn will punish us if we do these things. Okay, so one by one, from the first house till the 12th house, I will take you on a journey like Saturn takes you on a journey through its Sadasati. I will take you through a journey and I will cover each and every wrong deeds which if you do presently you will get the punishment for that in this lifetime itself. So it sounds and seems to be interesting. So let's get into the surgery of this horoscope and find out. Right. So the first house is all about the physical plane, the body, right? The physical body, right? And if you are a person who willingly or unwillingly, consciously or subconsciously, knowingly or unknowingly, insult or make fun of people who are disabled, who are physically handicapped, who have lost their limb in certain accidents, then you are actually bringing the curse of Saturn to your first house, the Lagna, and within a short period of time you will start facing physical problems. So you have to be very cautious and you must never ever make the mistake of insulting and making fun or hurting somebody physically abusing someone, especially if it's a disabled person, if it's a handicapped person, then they are actually already carrying the curse of Saturn and already they are carrying the energy of Saturn, and you don't want to mess them by hurting them or insulting them emotionally and hitting them in the wrong space. Understood? The second house is the house of your eye. It is also the house of your wealth, liquidity, money, and it is also food. Okay. Now, if you make fun of a blind person, for example, a blind person is trying to cross the road on a level crossing, and you actually take the hand of the blind person and misguide that person to some place else where the person is not supposed to go, and you derive pleasure and fun out of it, then Saturn will actually start taking away your eyesight and Saturn will start punishing you by creating vision problems in your life, in this life itself, irrespective of whatever Raj Yogas you have in your horoscope. So I'm warning you, beware. Second thing, if you are serving food to people, okay, because the food is also controlled by the second house, because it's the energy of Taurus and Kalpurush. So if you are serving food to people, if you have a duty of giving food to people, and if you give them bad food, if you create food poisoning in their life, or if you are in charge of a midday meal scheme in a school and you give poisonous and bad quality, old, rotten and pungent food to innocent children, then Saturn will put the curse of food in your life, and slowly you will start facing all sorts of digestive problem, all sorts of throat disorders, cancer of the mouth, because you have done adultery and you have actually misused the responsibility and duty given by Saturn to you of serving the right food to people. The next thing is that money if you snatch or take away the liquid money of somebody unwillingly, forcibly, somebody has done a lot of penance and somebody has done a lot of hard work in collecting money. For example, people, they collect money in the in the piggy bank of their house for some purpose. And if you are a very rash and arrogant sort of a family member and you snatch away that money for your own selfish purpose, then Saturn will punish you and Saturn will slowly turn you into a beggar. So beware. The third house is the house of communication, speech, and your cousins and your neighbors. Okay. So if you make fun of people who stammer, for example, hey, I love you. So if you make fun of people who stammer, that is when Saturn will start giving you speech and communication problem. You will start facing some problem with the mouth or the tongue, or you won't be able to communicate properly with people within a short span of time because you have insulted somebody who is actually struggling with speech problems. The next thing is that your cousins, your neighbors. So the third house is a karma house. It is the house of a desire. It is a sexual house, the third house. And if you try to go into an illicit relationship with your neighbors, and there are certain perverted people who even try to abuse their cousin brothers and sisters, then Saturn will punish you and Saturn will start causing problems in your personal life, your married life, because the third house is the bhagya of the marriage. The seventh house is marriage, and going 9 places forward, the third house is the bhagya, the fortune of the marriage, so marriage problems. Now the fourth house is all about parents, motherly people, elderly people, right? So if you abuse your parents, if you abuse your mother, if you abuse motherly people, for example, there is an old woman who is doing hard work and you are like, hey, move from here. Who the hell are you? Why should I respect you? And things like that. And the fourth house is also the local municipality, the local government. So people who are actually working in the local municipality to keep your area clean, like people who clean the drain, the sewers of your locality, if you insult them, disrespect them, then there will be a time when Saturn will put a curse. You will actually yearn the assistance of such people, or you will actually yearn for motherly care, affection and comforts, but Saturn will deny you that, irrespective of whatever Raj Yogas you have in your fourth house. Now the fifth house is the house of child, the fifth house is the house of luck, and the fifth house is the house of creativity. So if you hurt children, if you physically abuse and beat children up, if you bully them, if you abuse children, or actually if you're abusing your wife to forcibly get a child. For example, the fifth house is the gain of marriage, and there are certain people in certain families, they force the woman to bear a child soon, and they use physical force also. So if you do certain things like that, then Saturn will actually start giving you problems. Fifth house, it will affect your wisdom, it will affect your education, your intelligence, and it will also block your child bearing capacity. So I warn you, mend your ways. The sixth house is the house of pets, servants and service that you give to people. So if you actually mistreat and ill-treat pets, if you hurt pets like dogs, cats and pet animals, it can be stray also, it can be household also, then Saturn will punish you and it will start giving you problems, right? So a wild animal may suddenly come and bite you and hurt you because you have actually abused pets and animals. The second thing is the sixth house is the house of the servants, the people who work for you, who serve you. Okay. Now if you abuse your servant, if you beat your servant, or if you don't pay your servant salary properly, if you hit them, sexually exploit them, ill-treat them, then Saturn will start giving you deformation and negative reputation suddenly, and you will get into a scandal. So mind it. You will get into court cases. So don't do it. And also it is service. So people who are in the service industry, for example, people who come and service the household appliances, gadgets, your car, your vehicles, the mechanics, all those things are seen from the sixth house. Pet trainers is also seen from the sixth house. Now if you are actually cheating while doing service, so you have gone to service a fridge or a AC or a washing machine, or you have gone to service some appliance, some gadget, and you are overbilling the person, you're cheating them, then Saturn will actually punish you. And the next time when you actually go somewhere to do a better service, you will start messing things up. You won't be able to give the solution properly, and the company where you're serving will give complaints. The seventh house is the house of your spouse, that is your husband or your wife, the business partner.
Partnership. The seventh house is the house of your spouse, your life partner, all the relations that you create in your life, the agreements that you sign. The seventh house is also the house of your marriage. Now, if you are cheating your spouse, if you're cheating your life partner and having a secret relationship with anybody, or if you're cheating your business partner, you are not giving your business partner the right profits and you are trying to undercut, and if you are not respecting the relationships that you have in your life, the relations that you have created, the agreements that you have signed, the partnership ventures that you have entered into, then Saturn will punish you. Also, the seventh house is the house of marriage. So if you are actually seeking dowry, right, after getting married, if you are torturing your wife or your husband for that matter, and if you are trying to extort money in the name of dowry, then Saturn is going to punish you. Saturn is going to make sure that your married life becomes hell. Saturn is going to make sure that whatever business and partnership and relations that you are into, those things will start giving you tension, anxiety, frustration, and because of that, the overall well-being and quality of your life will get distorted, guys. So beware.
The eighth house. The eighth house is the house of sexuality, secret relationship. It is the house of Tantra, Mantra, occult science, mysticism, Kundalini Shakti, and secret research activities. So, if you are hurting somebody sexually, if you are forcing yourself upon someone, if you are hurting someone sexually, or if you are trying to hurt the private parts of a person, or if you are misusing Tantra, Mantra, Kundalini Shakti to possess someone, to harm someone, to cause intentional harm to somebody, or if you are misusing your occult capabilities, whatever occult and paranormal capabilities and specialities you have, if you are misusing them, and also transgender, right? So if you make fun of transgenders, if you don't respect them, and if you insult them, then the curse of Saturn will unfold itself upon you, and it will wreak havoc in your life, because the eighth house is the house of Nija Dosha. All the mistakes that you've done because of your own misdoings, Nija Dosha, it's the eighth house. So you will start facing problems in your sexual life, you will start facing problem in your reproductive organs, beware. And people will also start misusing their Tantra, Mantra and occult powers on you, and you will become a victim of dark magic, black magic. So I warn you, don't indulge yourself in these activities. The ninth house is the house of your father. The ninth house is the house of your guru. The ninth house is the house of all the higher philosophy, learning and the laws of the society. Okay, all the rules and regulations. Now, if you cheat your father, if you hurt your father mentally, emotionally, physically, then Saturn will wreak havoc in your life. If you cheat your guru, right, if you misuse the knowledge given to you by the guru, if you misuse mantras, if you actually try to have a perverted relationship or a sexual relationship with your guru, then Saturn will start becoming negative in your chart, and all the wisdom and all the knowledge and all the blessings of the God will stop, and you will become a God forsaken person. Also, the set of rules and regulations which run the society. So if you mislead people, misguide people with their religion, with their philosophy, with their rules and regulation, with their religious principles, then Saturn will turn negative in your chart, and the favor and the fortune of your life will stop, and you will be in a very bad position going forward. The 10th house is the house of public. The 10th house is the house of government. The 10th house is the house of politics and the power that you enjoy in your life, the status, the career, the influence upon other people, how much weight and gravity you have in the society. All these things are seen from the 10th house. Now, if you cheat the public, if you have power and you are cheating the public, you are misguiding them, you are misusing the belief that they have over you, then Saturn will turn negative and the public will forsake you. You will become a cursed person, and the people who have supported you and brought you to the limelight, brought you to the throne, the 10th house being the throne, they will again push you back down and you will never be able to climb the ladder. The 10th house is also the government, right? It's the highest form of government where you're born. So the national government, right? This is state government and this is national government. So in the 10th house, if you are in government service, if you are an IAS officer, IPS officer, revenue service, or you are into raw secret service and things like that. Secret service can also be seen from the 8th house. But if 10th house overall represents service, so if you are in any sort of government service, if you are a politician, if you have a political career, and if you misuse your authority, misuse your power, and hurt people intentionally, then Saturn will bestow its curse upon you, and because of that, you will lose your reputation, you will lose your status, you will lose your power, and you will become a snake whose venom has been sucked out. So you will never be able to come to position, authority, and whatever remedies you do, whatever Raj Yogas you have in your horoscope, it's not going to work out because Saturn will block your 10th house by putting curse on it. So beware, guys. The 11th house is the house of your income, the fulfillment of desires. The 11th house is the house of your elder siblings. The 11th house is also the house of community building, NGO activities. So if you're hurting your elder siblings, if you're cheating them, if you're not doing your responsibility towards your elder siblings, right? And if you're not paying people properly, for example, people are working and they are trying to earn an income from you, and if you're holding that money and if you're purposely not giving them their share of income, then Saturn will bestow its curse upon you, and because of that you won't be able to enjoy income and fulfillment of desires in your life. Secondly, the 11th house is community building, large gathering of people, a group of people, a community building, something like Blue Cross activities, non-governmental activities for social welfare, child welfare and things like that, where a lot of people come together, collect money, and they do CSR activities, that is corporate social responsibility activities or philanthropical charity purpose activities. If you misuse that money and if you actually misrepresent the information and try to take from their share, the public share, who deserve help, Saturn will wreak havoc in your life. It will stop your income, it will stop your fulfillment of desires, and you will become stuck in the 11th house things. The 12th house is the house of patience. The 12th house is hospital, jail, rehabilitation center, right? And also foreigners. Now, if you abuse patient, for example, if you are a doctor or a nurse, and if you are doing organ trafficking, or if you are misusing your power to put the wrong medicines in patients, experiment on them like lab rats for some monetary purpose, and if you abuse the patients, then Saturn will wreak havoc in your life, especially in the 12th house of your horoscope. The ancestors will curse you, and because of that, the coming generations, the next generation, they will become handicapped or mental or any such disability which will make you curse yourself for whatever activities you have done. The 12th house is also foreigners. So if you abuse foreigners, if you cheat them, if you misguide them, because they are coming to your country with trust and a rating about the country, and if you exploit that, and if you cheat foreigners, if you force them into sexual relationship, or if you force them into sexual trafficking and things like that, then also Saturn will turn negative, and someday when you will actually need people to help you in a foreign land, people will exploit you. Also, remember, whatever you are doing, it will come back to you with not only the same velocity, but the velocity which is multiplied several folds. So, remember, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. My purpose and intention of making this video is to make you aware of the mistakes that you do, so that you don't get into trouble, you don't do such mistakes intentionally or unintentionally, such that you don't get stuck under the curse of Saturn in your horoscope. So I hope this video enlightened you, and I hope you're able to understand how Saturn not only can unfold, and Saturn can not only give you the curses of your previous life, but it will also punish you immediately for the wrongdoings that you're doing in this life also. So choose your actions carefully and live well. So I hope this video enlightened you guys. I love you all. This is Purab signing off from Purab's Astrology. Take care of yourself. Adios. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.